Hey folks, welcome to the InTheMoneyStocks.com intraday analysis video report brought to you by the creators of proprietary price pattern and time methodology. Learn the PPT methodology and profit for life. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. This video is for November 29th, 2012. All right, guys. Let's get underway. Market, as you can see, is higher today, not without a little bit of whipsaw. But again, based on yesterday's reversal, yesterday it was pretty obvious we were going to head higher here. And again, that's exactly what we did. We actually achieved my first target area. If I zoom out here a little bit, this initial level right here is your first target. Here's your second target, and ultimately gap fill up here, which we haven't achieved, is your third target on the upside. I do think we'll get to that third target, but then I think things could get a little bit choppy. And sure enough, the markets again are behaving. I've held on to about 5-6 swing trade positions here, and I continue to hold on to them, making money as they continue to advance. Yesterday's gap down, the only way you would have known that this wasn't going to be the follow-through is if you had analyzed the charts using PPT. All right, if you saw the PPT methodology, which is a proprietary methodology, you would have known that this was a fake out here, and then the market's again reversing. With the fact that we closed above, see the highs here? Look at the high pivot here, right here, fake print, and then pivot highs here. The fact that we closed above that yesterday told you that there was more upside to come. Again, if you read the charts correctly, everything is known. It's that simple. Intraday, again, we opened up sharply higher, popped up, fell back down. Bear flagged it. This is a classic bear flag. Told you were going to go down. This nice flush was on Boehner's comments saying that we're not really that close to a deal yet, that he's a little disappointed and this and that, and the market did freak out a little bit. But then some positive stuff came out, and the market popped up. You got a beautiful in spirit of bullish pattern right here. Told you were going to pop up, and you're actually making another in spirit of bullish pattern right now. Maybe ends at the highs of the day today if that pattern continues to hold up and possibly pushes higher. So again, bottom line is market's higher today. We have the Dow up 50 points, NASDAQ up 20, S&P's up about 7. I'm holding Apple, which is up again today. I'm in the money nicely there. Baidu's having a monster day. Baidu, B-I-D-U, up $2.50. I am in the money, well over $2 on that. Actually closing in on $3. Actually over $3. Check that. Over $3 on Baidu in the money. Just continuing to enjoy. I mean, that's what it's all about here, folks. All right, now I am looking and scouting out a couple short opportunities, which I'll keep you guys posted on if you're a member here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. If you do want to become a member, there's a 7-day free trial. Take the Research Center if you're a swing trader or an investor. The Research Center is what's meant for you. If you're a day trader, obviously the intraday stock chat. But again, InTheMoneyStocks.com, 7-day free trial. I would try it out. Bottom line is, it's proprietary methodology. We beat the institutions in returns by teaching people this and by using it ourselves. I mean, that's how awesome it is. You want to trade better than Goldman? You want to trade better than any hedge fund? Learn the PPT methodology, price, pattern, and time methodology. I'm long Chevron as well, continuing to be long. I was long on Chevron. Check this out right here. This is where I went long on Chevron. I'm still holding. Look at this great move up today again, up and out another 27 cents. We're above the 20 MA here, which is nice. As long as we stay above that 20 MA, we could actually pop to the 200. I think that's going to be my short-term target, right around the 107.5 level. Taking a look at the dollar today, dollar's pulling back just a little bit, but has come off the lows of the day. But again, still a little bit of downside on the dollar. Remember, the dollar controls the markets. If the dollar goes down, the markets go up. If the dollar goes up, markets go down. And clearly you can see the dollar slightly lower today. Therefore, the markets are up. Gold today is getting a small bounce back after a pretty ugly sell-off yesterday. Nice move there. Taking a look at SLV, silver, SLV having a nice pop. In fact, interesting with SLV as opposed to gold, SLV above the highs recently. Today, you can see it on the daily chart trading up in this range. Most likely you're headed to the double top around 34 on the SLV, although there's not a high enough percentage long trade there to be taken. Across the board, folks, again, it's just about money making. Every day, as long as you analyze charts, any time frame using the PPT methodology, you can succeed and make a lot of money. All right, I don't care if the market goes up or down. Every day I come in, I'm looking at the charts and analyzing, is this chart going to go up or down? I don't care what the market does. The chart will tell you itself. Let me just see what else we have here. Facebook's having another phenomenal day, up over $1. I mean, look at this move on Facebook. I love how everyone hated it here. This is where I loved it right here, just when they were going to release all those shares. I actually bought it that day, folks, when they were going to release the shares, and the next day, sure enough, made a ton of money. I sold way too early, which is a shame, but I still made a ton of money. Ultimately, you could see the reversal here to the upside, and this thing has never looked back. I mean, again, it's getting a little on the extended side. Let me just look at the chart. Where's your target? Yeah, I mean, your target's interesting because you pierced gap fill. My guess is this is where it's going right here. That's probably where it's headed. If you get there, it actually is not a bad shorting opportunity on Facebook, I have to say. That's not a bad level. All right. What else do we have here? Goldman's flat. JPM's having a nice little up day, so good move on JPM today. Up a little bit, although into the 50 MA resistance point. Amazon's up nicely, up another $5 on the day. A little bit of resistance right here. The key level actually is right here on it, but it has pierced that level as of now. We'll have to keep a close eye on where it's going to head, but a very nice pierce on Amazon. Amazon, tremendous move. I mean, if you look at the chart here, look at this. I mean, just constant green candles up, blowing through the 20 and the 50 MA. One pause here on the 50 for one day, and then continuing up. Your key level at this stage of the game, if it's able to really force itself through this area here, is just going to be up here. I mean, this is going to be your big one right up here, which is around the 262 level, and right now it's trading at 252. So another $10 up. I don't necessarily think it gets there. I think it's getting ridiculously extended here and needs a pullback. But again, you just never know what's in store with this market. It's all about the fiscal cliff at this point. Every day we have a negative comment or a positive comment. It determines whether or not we shoot up or shoot down in the market. All right, one more time, folks. 7-day free trial here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Let's take a look at the spiders. Spiders, you can see, again, bullish consolidation. This is the SPY tracking ETF. You just really have a choppy day. You had some bearish comments on the fiscal cliff, and then again some good ones as the market comes back. And again, we float up here. It'll be interesting to see as we get closer into December if people start to worry that there's not going to be a resolution if you see some selling coming in. So we'll keep an eye on that. I'll keep you posted. Obviously, more trades being put out inside the Research Center. For those of you that are investors and swing traders, come here, take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take care, guys.